This is the welding seam that holds together skyscrapers, oil pipelines, and even airplanes. But almost nobody has ever seen how it's actually made, up close, at the atomic level. Watch closely. What you're about to see is manufacturing perfection. It all starts with a cold, dull steel pipe. In the next few seconds, this lifeless tube will be melted, reshaped, and reborn using a machine so precise it can weld the same spot within 0.02 millimeters. This isn't just welding, it's industrial surgery. When the TIG torch fires, temperatures jump to almost 20,000 degrees Celsius. That's 4 times hotter than lava. Every droplet of glowing metal fills microscopic gaps, creating a seam stronger than the steel itself. And the secret: a computer controls every millisecond, adjusting gas and amperage in real time. This is how the world is held together, one perfect weld at a time. Thanks for watching.